Do you know what happens inside a volcano? Deep inside a volcano, an incredible force is at work. Beneath the surface, molten rock called magma boils under extreme pressure. As the Earth's heat melts rock, gases build up, searching for a way out. The pressure grows and grows until a crack forms and magma races upward through tunnels called conduits. Boom! The volcano erupts, unleashing its fiery fury. Lava flows down the mountainside, reshaping the land for miles around. But over time, the land recovers. Volcanoes destroy, but they also create, building new landscapes for future life to thrive.